Welcome to Chuck's Metal Models. In this video, we are going to build this Maluvrian Ultimate Building Kit. There's two models here. You build one at a time. So I have the parts, I sort out them, and there's one thing interesting about this one. Look at these parts. These here have 4 holes in it. These have 3 holes. They're same length as one with 4 holes. These have 3 holes, but they're shorter. So what I've always mentioned is if the hole spacing, if I can get this ruler one-handed, are 1/2 inch apart, so you can see those are 1/2 inch apart. So these parts are Meccano Erector Set compatible, and the rest of these parts, there are centimeters. Each of them are 1 centimeter apart. So they're using a mix of some Meccano compatible parts. These are Meccano compatible, and these here are not Meccano compatible. So that's going to be interesting. So when you're looking for a part that has 3 holes in it, gotta make sure you grab the right one. So that's going to be interesting. So let me build this and come back and show you what we have. I think the first one we're building here is this robot, this elite robot. So let me get back with you. Okay, this is Elite Robot. I'm only going to make the one of the 2 models. There's also a super excavator, but this was a difficult build. It's very condensed and can't really get your fingers in there, put these parts together. And when you're putting legs on, I don't know how you tighten them up, so I'm not touching him. He's pretty much going to stand there. I'll kind of move around him because it's a finicky build. I'm sorry, I gotta be honest. It's not my favorite build. I mean, it looks okay, but that's what I'm going to show you. This is the build. And I mentioned earlier that some parts are metric based and some are Meccano based. So this is the final build. So thank you very much from Chuck's Metal Models. Let's see what I build next, but if you really want a super excavator, you're going to have to leave a comment, but I don't plan on building it. So thank you very much. Until we build again.